Hey guys, welcome back. Tony, what happened this morning?
And we got onto the water. D got the boat in the water, ready to go, and no keys.
So I left the keys at home, guys. No keys to the boat. The boat's actually back there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's back in that parking lot. I don't know if I'm gonna get kicked out or not, but if they kick us out, then it is what it is. But we're gonna try to make the best of it and fish today. So I'm out here with Tony, a subscriber of mine. I said, yeah, sure, dude, let's tag along. Let's just go and fish at Main Street because it's like the only open area that you can actually like really fish. We don't know what's gonna happen, but it's gonna happen. We're gonna go with the flow and catch some fish. So stay tuned. All right, let's get rigged up here. Got some live minnows. There it is.
That quarter ounce here?
Yeah, you can use the quarter ounce. Yep, just bounce it at the bottom. Gonna rig up real quick. It's about 48, 50 degrees out. Water temp is probably like 50-ish, I say. 55, 57, I'm guessing. I mean, I don't know now because I don't have the boat. We're gonna rig up, Wolfer rig style, some pencil sinkers. And so we catch some fish today. Did I even bring it? I think I did. Yep. Well, I don't have a 1 ounce, but I have a half. Oh no, I thought I brought the other ones. I thought I brought the 5/16 somewhere. Yeah, look. You guys see this? Hope it's in here. Yep, it's in here. Just need my 1 ounce sinkers. Alright, so we got a two-way rig going on here. You guys already know the swivel, the leader, pencil sinker, 1 ounce, and about like 4 foot with a hook. Gonna put some minnows on there. Tony's starting off with plastic. I'm gonna start off with light bait, see what happens. So it's windy, it's cold. Try to make it happen here. Got plenty of minnows, so feel free to dig in, Tony. Just want to rig it right through the chin and through the head, just like that.
Just came straight up and just got a hit.
Did you?
I was really straight up and got a hit.
Yeah. Yeah, they're here. So. How do you do? Nice. Got him? Yeah. What? That's. Oh no! What happened? That's it. Yeah, it's right there, man. Just. Oh shit. That's good. Yeah, he was close right there. Yep. They said they'll chase it right up to you and they'll crush it. Cause I know they're here. They're just cruising around, you know, waiting a little bit. Yeah, they're here. Oh yeah, they'll take it, bro. They'll crush it. I think that was a white bass that hit you. It was running in circle a little bit. It was a white bass, yeah. Got him.
Got him?
Yep. White bass, baby. Let's go. Look at this chunker. Sheesh. Yeah, they here, bro. All right, let's get the bucket started, man. Yes, first white bass of the day. With Tony right there. He just missed one too, so.
That was on the minnow?
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Oh, dude got a bait on him, bro. Hey, come here. Come here. Let me help you out, dude. He got a bait on his wing. Yeah, I have a stringer too if we need to.
Oh, yeah, I got one. I got a catfish.
Let's say less then. Yeah, so what happened was we looked everywhere, dude. We looked in the boat, looked in the car. The key to the boat is not there. And it's on a pretty big, decent fob. So it's like you can't miss it. You just don't have the key. I'm pretty sure I left it in the garage hanging on the nail somewhere. It happens, man. I was cleaning the boat and I'm very forgetful, guys. Trust me. But it is what it is. We're gonna make the best out of it. We're out here fishing, so yeah. So we got one white bass so far. Tony is feeling ambitious, so he's gonna go get the catfish rod. Let's see if we can put on a show for you guys. It's like I said, it's cold. It's I got my thermal striker suit on. Not the suit itself, but the jacket. And all I gotta say, it's pretty cold, man. Touching those minnows and trying to fish at the same time, it's cold. So we're gonna bear with it. We're gonna make it happen for you guys. There's a guy under the bridge right now. Yeah, but it's a waiting game over too. You just gotta wait for them to fire up. Once they fire up, got one. I got one, bro. Sheesh! Oh, it's a nice fish, dude. I don't know. Oh, it's a nice white bass. I think I can swing him, right? Yeah, we're not gonna swing. This is like barely hooked. You can, yeah, there we go. Yeah, there we go. Just to make sure. Nice, dude. But we were still talking. Just yanked it out of my hand. Damn.
He engulfed that too.
Yeah. Okay, good. He wasn't gonna come off. I just saw at the end of the hook. I'm like, oh, it's gonna pop off if I lift it. You know how it goes, right? You gotta lift it up and it just pops right off. Thanks, bro.
Oh, you got a small hook on there.
Yeah, I'm trying to like hide it out a little bit, just to see what happens. See, you got a meal right there, bro. Yeah, because they weren't there earlier.
No, they weren't.
Yeah, when I was over there, I didn't see any.
Better watch that pole.
Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, I got one. I told you. Yeah. Oh, it popped out. No! No, it popped out. I didn't even get a good hook set. Yeah, I had one on. They here. Holy smoke, guys, it's cold. Freezing. Yeesh. Oh, we got another white bass. They're still here. Yeah. They are still here, guys.
Oh, yeah.
I just shut off my GoPro too because I was gonna retrieve back and dude like yanked it out of my hand. Yeah, he inhaled
Glad
it.
I did reel it in. Wasn't gonna catch nothing because there wasn't nothing on there.
Oh yeah. Slowly but surely, right?
Hopefully they can get me back through. That's
Yeah, it's just one of those weird hours where you just gotta wait it out. Check this out, guys. My wife just texted me. My key fob was in her car. Look. There it is. Oh, goodness. She said they were in my car. Probably slipped out of my pocket. Dang. Well, at least we found it. I'm about to head out soon. Just giving it a couple, like, 15-20 minutes. It's getting really cold out here, guys. Like, really cold. It's windy.
appreciate it.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Yeah, it's Snake City down there, but there's fish down there. Yeah, that's where we walleye fish most of the time. Yeah. Because it's supposed to get windier. It's supposed to hit 20, that's why. So.
Probably getting back out soon, probably? Or you
Oh, yeah.
it cools down and
I'll hit
like,
you
get
up.
a better,
Okay.
Even if you let me know, like I'll meet you up there.
Okay, yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, sounds good. I'll text you, dude.
Okay,
Yep.
appreciate it, dude.
You text me already, right?
Yes, sir.
All right.
But I'm gonna text you, all my info.
Yeah, let me know. Yep. I don't know where to start because I got there, the subscriber, right? Tony, he shows up. He's like, dude, what's up, man? Like, how's it going? Blah, blah, blah. And we were just talking. And he was like, yeah, can I fish with you today? I'm like, yeah, sure. Like, I call you company on a boat, you know? So just go grab your stuff and we'll throw it in my boat. So I'm like loading the boat into the water, getting everything into the boat, like my stuff into the boat. When he got back, I was like, dude, so I can't find my keys. And I was like, I can't find my keys to the boat. We went through like all the compartment and in my car and everything. So I got the boat back out of the water, pulled up. I checked again, checked the car, checked the boat and everything. I'm like, it's not here. Check the trunk. After the whole like checking everything, I was like, dude, let's just go fish like Main Street. He was like, yeah, can I take him? I'm like, yeah, of course. Like, let's just go fish Main Street. I got a bunch of minnows and let's just sit out there and see what happens. You know, you guys see in the video, we struggled a little bit because it was cold. It was windy. It was only like 45 degrees. The wind was hitting like 15 miles per hour. The cold front did kick in a little bit. We caught a couple of bites here and then we missed a couple of bites here and there. Again, that's fishing. Sometimes you forget the important stuff like the keys for the boat. That's just how it goes sometimes. With that being said, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Tony, it was nice meeting you. Thank you for stopping by and just saying like, hey, what's up? Because we got to fish, we got to know each other, and it was fun. We caught fish. So I have to say. So with that being said, thank you very much. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Subscribe, and I'm sorry if I wasted your time, but again, I really appreciate you guys watching my video, and I'll see you guys next time.